This is Ctet paper 1 2019 July paper and set P. So first we are discussing answers for the questions. These are the official answers and this is part 1. For the part 1, first question is, according to Jean Piaget, children are what? So option 1, 2, 3, 4. For this question, correct option is 1. Actively construct knowledge as they manipulate and explore the world. So next question, there are individual variations in the rate of motor development, yet the sequence of motor development is from dash to dash. Correct option is third option, gross motor development to fine motor development. Pause the video and try to answer the questions and write your score in the comment box. How many answers correct and how many answers right, wrong. Third question is the period that initiates the transition to adulthood. What is correct option? First option is correct, adolescence. Next question, a child argues the henge should not steal the drug medicine that can save his wife because he will be caught and sent to jail if he does so. According to Kohlberg, which stage of moral understanding does the children fall under? Correct option is third one. Next question, Lev Vygotsky refers to the verbal dialogues that children have with themselves as second, private speech. Next question, associating toys, articles of clothing, household items, occupations and colors with specific sex is a demonstration of what? Correct option for this question is second option, gender stereotyping. Next question, in an elementary classroom it is important to dash the experiences that a child brings with her. Try to answer for this question. What is the correct option? Fourth option is correct, build on. Eighth question, a child should what? Fourth option is correct, communicate that she respects and values all cultures in the classroom. Next question, ninth question, which of the following constructs does Right to Education Act 2009 advocate? Second option is correct, inclusive education. Next question, dash is the philosophy that all children have a right to get equal education in a regular school system. Correct option is first option, inclusive. Inclusion is the philosophy. So next question, 11th question, which of the following represent the correct matching of children in column A with their primary characteristic in column B? Correct option is second one. That means this is D, A, B, C. D. First one for the D. First one is D and second one is A. Third one is B. Fourth one is C. So gifted means ability to learn quickly and independency. Learning disabled means lacks reading fluency. Creative means can think of original solutions. Fourth one, ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorder means tendency to get distracted easily. Next question, 12th question, children learn effectively when dash. Fourth option is correct. They actively participate in different activities and tasks. Next question. Children should dash questions in the class. First option is correct. Be encouraged to ask. Next question. 14th question. Which of the following is not a key process through which meaningful learning occurs? First option is correct. Memorization and recall. Next question. When teachers have positive beliefs about students and their abilities, the students, correct option is 1, are eager and motivated to learn. Next question. Children's errors are a part of learning and give an insight into their thinking. Next question. Assessment is should be a part of teaching learning process. Next question. 18th question. In a constructivist framework, learning is what? First option is correct. Active and social in its character. Next question. 19th question. What principle does the following highlight? Students who do not perform well feel that they are not good enough and feel demotivated. They are then likely to give up easily without trying or persisting in doing tasks. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Cognitive and emotions are not separable. Next question. A teacher can encourage children to become effective problem solver by what? Correct option is 4. That means encouraging children to make intuitive guesses and to look at multiple solutions to the problems. Next question. Use of methods where learners' own initiative and efforts are involved in an example of. Third option is correct. Learner-centered method. Next question. Which of the following statements about intelligence is correct? Fourth option is correct. Intelligence is multidimensional involving several abilities, not entirely measurable, but intelligence test. Next question, 23rd question. Which of the following is the primary socializing agency? So correct option is first option, family. That is called primary socializing agency. Next question. The major propositions of Jean Piaget theory is that. Fourth option is correct. Children's thinking is qualitatively different from adults. Next question, 25th question. Gender is a or an. Third option is correct. Social construct. Next, 26th question. Which of the following correctly identifies the broad domains of development? First option is correct. Physical, cognitive, social and emotional. Next, 27th question. Which of the following statements regarding children and their learning is correct? All children are. Which option is correct? First or second or third, fourth? First option is correct. All children are naturally motivated to learn and are capable of learning. So next question, 28th question. In progressive education, children are seen as active explorers. Next question. According to Lev Vygotsky, learning is what? First option is correct. A social activity. Next question, 13th question. Which of the following Which of the following characterizes a child in the pre-operational stage? Fourth option is correct. Irreversibility of thought. So first option is correct. Next, part 2, maths questions. So mathematics, 31st question. A beaker is 3 by 7th filled with water. Another 16 liters of water is needed to fill the beaker to its brim. What is the capacity of the beaker? 31st question. Fourth option is correct, 28 liters. Next question. Which of the following represents descending order of numbers? So correct option is second option. Second option is correct. 30.5. This is correct option. Next question. A shopkeeper mixed 5.3 kg of almonds, 2100 grams of rice in 2.2 kg of cashews and packed the mixture equally into 2 dozen packets. What is the weight to each packet? Correct option is second option, 400 grams. Next question. 34th question. What number am I? I am 2-digit even number. I am common multiple of 3, 4, 6. I have total 9 factors. Fourth option is correct, 36. Next question. Asha plans to save some money for household expenditure to buy a mobile phone. Every week she save 50 rupees on Monday, 100 rupees on Wednesday and 80 rupees on Friday and spends 60 rupees from this on Sunday. How many weeks would she take to save enough to buy a mobile phone of 5950 rupees? Second option is correct, 35. Next question. Here 11011. This number is in decimal form and binary form. Change it into decimal form. Binary means here 2. That's why it is called binary form. Here 10. So it is called decimal form. So correct option for this question is 27. If you want maths detailed answers, then check in the playlist. I have done already videos for the math solutions. Question number 37, fourth one is correct. Second 37 question number. The side of a square is 10 centimeters. How many times will the new perimeter become if the side of the square is doubled? Correct option is fourth option, 2 times. Next question, 38th question. Which of the following letters have both horizontal and vertical lines of symmetry? Correct option is second option, X. Next question. 72 into 28 is equals to 36 into 4 into dash. The number in the blank is, these are the conditions, and correct option for this question is fourth option is correct. That means A, D, E. A, D, E. These three statements are correct. Next question. 40. Question number 40. What is the correct sequence a teacher of class 3 needs to follow to explain the concept of quarter 1/4 to the students? Which sequence is good to follow by the teacher? So correct option is third option, B, C, A. First conduct this option and after that this one, last A. In this sequence we explain about quarter. Next question. Question number 41. A class third student perform multiplication of 16 into 27 as follows. And which property of multiplication has the student used in this question? See the question and which property used here. Second option is correct, associative law. Next question. How will you cater to the needs of visually challenged students of your classroom in an inclusive school? Second option is correct. Use alternate teaching learning methods and resources. Next question. Question number 43. Which of the following is not a mathematical process? Third option is correct. Memorization. Next question. Which of the following is not related to early number concept? Fourth option is correct. Mensuration. Next. Which of the following statements is true regarding numeral and number? Read the options. A number is a symbol used to represent number. Same number can be represented by different numerals. Fourth option is correct. Both A and B are correct. Question number 46. Read the following word problems on addition. These are the word problems. A and B are the two problems. And read that questions and which of the following is correct. So these are the options. Correct option is second option is correct. A represent aggregation structure of addition and B represent augmentation structure of addition. Next question. A teacher gives the following task to the students of class 4th. Arrange 25 tiles in all possible rectangular arrays. Which of the following mathematical concepts can be addressed through this task? Correct option is 2. Area, factors, perimeter. Next question. Question number 48. Identify the correct statement about the ability to conserve different physical quantities in measurement as proposed by Piaget. First option is correct. Conservation of weight is grasped before conservation of volume. Next question. Question number 49. Van Hill's levels refer to stages in the development of 3. Geometrical thinking. Next question. Which of the following sets are problem solving strategies in mathematics? Third option is correct. Reasoning, using verbal, look for a pattern. Question number 51. Which of the following teaching learning resources is best suited to explain the concept of multiplication of two decimal numbers? Saying 0.3 into 0.2 is equals to 0.06. Fourth option is correct. Graph paper. Question number 52. As per the recommendations of NCF 2005, primary school mathematics curriculum should. First option is correct. Related to children's everyday experiences. Next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of effective mathematics pedagogy? Second option is correct. Following strict time rules when introducing a new concept. Next question 54. Which of the following is not an effective strategy to assess primary level students' learning in mathematics? Fourth one is correct. Using primarily group administered task. Next question. Which of the how many quarters are there in 18 is to 3 by 4? 18 ratio 3 by 4. It is in mixed fraction and change into proper fraction. Second option is correct. 75. 56. In a school, half of the students play badminton, 1/4 play volleyball, 1/8 play tennis, 1/16 play chess, and remaining go for swimming. If the number of students playing volleyball is 160, how many students play chess? First option is correct. 40 members. Correct option is 1. For the question 59, correct option is 1. 40. 56, 40. So next question 57. Deepa goes to a post office to post mail letters and parcels. The postal rates depicted are as below. These are the postal rates for the 20 grams and less than 20 grams 5 rupees, per every additional 20 grams 2 rupees extra, and per parcel for the 50 grams 5 rupees, and for every additional and above, that means above 50 grams means 30 rupees extra. So Deepa wants to send two parcels of weighing 250 grams and 300 grams respectively, and two letters each of 20 grams and 35 grams respectively. How much postal charge does she have to pay? Correct option is fourth one is correct option, 49 rupees. Next question. Question number 58. Digits 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 are arranged in the following blanks. The largest possible number after addition is second one, 1605. Question number 59. Read the following railway timings. New Delhi to Chennai Rajdhani Express and answer the questions. Read these railway timings and which one is correct in these statements. So these are the options. Third option is correct. The duration of journey from New Delhi to Nagpur is 11 hours and 30 minutes. Sorry, second option is correct. This is wrong. The duration of journey from Nagpur to Chennai is 15 hours and 10 minutes. Next question. A whole number is added to 50 and the same number is subtracted from 50. The sum of the resulting numbers is 100. Fourth option is correct. Next, part 3, environmental studies. In environmental studies, question number 61. Which of the following is Question number 61. Which of the following is not obtained from petroleum? Fourth option is correct. Coal. Next question 62. Question number. Select from the following a set of festivals celebrated on the full moon days. Third option is correct. Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Guru Nanak birthday. Question number 63. Which of the following groups of states has a coast of Arabian Sea? First option is correct. Karnataka, Kerala and Gujarat. Question number 64. Where is Jharkhand located on the map of our state, our country? Third option is correct. North of Odisha. Next question, question number 55. This is the question about directions. You are located X and your school is located Y. There is no straight path from your house to school. So you first go to A, which is 30 meters due to north of X. Then go to B, which is 40 meters due west of A. Then go to C, which is 30 meters due to B. And finally you reached your school at Y, which is 40 meters due west of C. With respect to your school, the correct direction of your house is what? Correct option is fourth one, southeast. So this is correct option. Next, question number 66. A boy boarded a train on 13th June 2019 at Mount Gaunt for Nagarkoil. The train departed at 9:45 hours from Mount God and reached Nagarkoil at 7 hours 15 minutes on the next day. If the distance covered by the train during this time interval is 1140 kilometers, the average speed of the train was. Second option is correct, 53 kilometers. Next question. In one of the forests of our country, the village council panchayat allots the land to the forest people, Adivasis, for farming in a special unit called tin. What is tin? Tin means what? Second option is correct. A land on which a farmer grows 1 tin of seeds. In which of the following cities the mountains of sand called sand dunes are found? Option number 2, Abu Dhabi. Next question number 69. We all observe old wells which have dried up. Our elders say that about 25 to 30 years ago there was sufficient water in the well, but now these have completely dried up. Select from the following the possible correct reasons for drying up of water in the wells. These are the options, these are the conditions, and these are the options. Which one is correct? Fourth option is correct. That means A, B, D. A, B, D are correct. Next question number 70. In EVS concepts and issues, have you been compartmentalized into science and social science? Why? Question number 2. Question number 70, option 2 is correct. The child looks at his or her environment in holistic manner. So second option is correct. Next question. Question number 71. Which of the following is true with respect to EVS subject for class 1 and 2? Second option is correct. Issues and concerns related to EVS are transacted through language and mathematics. Next question number 72. In EVS, themes have been proposed instead of topics in the syllabus. Why? Third option is correct. For developing connected and interrelated understanding of issues of the learner's local environment. Question number 73. Which one of the following is not one of the 6 broad themes of EVS in the present syllabus? Fourth option is correct. Work and play. Next question number 74. Which one of the following is not true with respect to EVS? Fourth option is correct. EVS emphasizes descriptions and definitions. Next question 75. Which of the following is very important in constructing knowledge in EVS? Correct option is 1. That means A, C, D. A, C, D. Next question number 76. The most effective strategy to engage learners in EVS is? Second option, reading of textbook. Children should be encouraged to tap sources other than textbooks and teachers in EVS. Why? Fourth option is correct. C, D only. Next question 78. A teacher always begins by conducting activities followed by questions and discussions. The objective of conducting activities, questioning and discussion is to? Which option is correct? First option is correct. That means D only correct. So this is only correct option. Next question number 79. A teacher conducts an experiment on how does food get spoiled. Teacher makes groups of learners and provide them material related to the experiment. Why does teacher from groups of learners? Correct option. Third option is correct. That means A and C only. A, C are correct. Question number 80. Which of the following should not be the indicator for assessment in EVS? Second option is correct. Cooperation. Next question number 81. In EVS, teachers should provide opportunities to the children to access themselves. Self-assessment is what? Second option is correct. Assessment as learning. Next question number 82. Which technique is used in the rating scale? Second option is correct. Observations. Next question. Which of the following is not the objective of teaching EVS? Fourth option is correct. To encourage children to provide textbook definitions. Next question number 84. Picture reading is an important activity in EVS. Which of the following indicator or indicators of learners can be assessed through picture reading? Second option is correct. ABC. A, B, C are correct. Question number 85. In a hilly area, it was observed that the people have built their houses using stones, mud, lime and wood. These houses have two floors. On the ground floor, they provide spaces for animals to live and also store necessary things. On the first floor, they stay. The roofs of the house are flat and made the thick tree trunks. This hilly area is a part of what? Fourth option is correct. Jammu and Kashmir. Next question number 86. Consider the following statements about the practices followed under Zoom farming. Which conditions are true about Zoom farming? These are the options. So 86 question number. First option is correct. That means A only. A is after obtaining one set of crops, the land is left as it is for some years. Next question number 87. Boiled tapico with any curry made using coconut is a preferred food of the people of Kerala. Coconut oil means Kerala. When you observe coconut oil, more coconut trees are grown in Kerala only. So question number 88. It is believed that the animals that are awake at night can see objects only in black and white. So fourth option is correct. Question number 89. Earthworms are considered friends of the farmers. Select from the following the correct reasons for the same. Correct option is third one. That means B, C, D. B, C, D. Next question. Question number 90. This is the last question of main paper. Tribal people have been using bronze to make many things. Since thousands of years, bronze is still used in our houses. Select from the following the most correct statement about bronze. Fourth option is correct. It is mixture of copper and tin. It is repeated question. So, copper and bronze. Bronze and bronze is made from copper and tin. Thanks for watching. These are the languages questions. If you want this video also, then comment in the comment section. If you have any doubts about CTET, then ask in the comment section. See math explanation classes in the playlist. I have explained about math solutions. So subscribe our channel, like this channel and share to your friends also.